Hey guys, back again. How are you? I hope you are well. Today I will teach you how can you take a screenshot without any software. I want to say something before I start this tutorial. Please guys, don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Now I am going to take a screenshot. Follow my instruction carefully. You have to press the PrtScn button on your keyboard. After pressing the button, you need to open Pen tool. Press Windows key and type here Paint. After opening this tool, press Ctrl+V. Tantana! We got our screenshot. Guys, if you learned something through this video tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to like this video. So bye bye, see you later, God bless you.